Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can start making money right now by advertising on Google Ads. Everything you have to do is create your first Google Ads account. It's very simple, so just type here Google Ads. Everything is in Portuguese because I'm from Brazil, but the step by step is pretty much the same thing. So you're going to click this blue button, maybe it's waiting for you to start now. I'm going to translate. So if you still don't have a Google Ads account, it's very simple, just follow the step by step. I already have this Google Ads account that I have created, but there's no campaigns yet. So after you start your first Google Ads account, you're going to see a screen pretty much the same as this one. The first thing you have to do to create a new campaign is click this blue button, new campaign. It's really simple, just follow step by step. I'm going to translate to English. So your goal, pretty much you want to make sales, but you can choose sales or website traffic. It's pretty much the same thing. I'm going to website traffic. So search campaign is the first campaign I'm going to tell you how to do. So we're going to make a search campaign. It's pretty much when someone searches in Google for anything that's going to, maybe how to learn guitar. There are a lot of ads, so this is an ad and this is an ad. This is the search ads campaign. That's pretty much what we're going to do. Search campaign. Here you can name the campaign. So campaign 1, okay. Here you're going to choose how you're going to bid, how you're going to pay for your campaigns. We can start by choosing clicks, set a cost per click maximum, what you want to pay. I'm going to put a bid, maybe R$5. It's pretty much $1. You can start there. If you don't see much impressions, if you don't see much clicks in your campaigns, you can raise this bid maybe to R$7. It's probably $1.5, and you leave 1 day to see if it's getting impressions, if it's getting clicks. You can leave it like this. Next, we're not going to choose these two options. This is pretty much search network. It's pretty much other networks that are partners with Google Ads, like YouTube, like other sites, search engines. And display network, it's another kind of campaign, so we're going to take it out. This is where you're going to put the locations that your campaign is going to appear. Maybe you're advertising a physical product and it only delivers in some specific countries. Then you're going to come here, enter another location. You can do advanced search and add multiple locations. And for example, you can type your countries here: United States, Canada, and search. This is going to find, and you put segment and save. Now my campaign is only going to show in Canada and US. Here in local options, you mark this option: attendance, people who are in your target region or who frequent the area. You don't want this kind of option. If you leave like this, your ad is going to show to people who maybe were in that country or is interested in something related to that country. So you don't want that. I'm going to leave only English. My Google Ads is in Portuguese. Here we're going to advertise a digital product, so we can leave it to all countries and territories because it's digital and there is no issue if I advertise to all the world. Or you can choose specific countries that maybe the owner of the course tells you that it converts better. Here in more settings, you can leave like that, and here you're going to insert your keywords. Keywords are basically what is going to trigger your ads. So I already chose which product we're going to advertise, and I'm going to show you how I choose my keywords. So this is the product we're going to advertise, the Abundance Goddess. This is our affiliate link. We're here in Buy Goods affiliate platform. Each platform has its own differences, so pay close attention. If you're in ClickBank, if you're in Buy Goods, if you're in Digistore, all of them has different ways to get your affiliate link. Here in Buy Goods is really simple. You just get this link, you can advertise direct to cart, copy, and I'm going to paste it here, hit enter, and leave it aside so that we can use it further. So this is already the checkout page, and we are going to use the keyword of the name of the product, abundance goddess. So any kind of person who types abundance goddess here in Google Ads is going to find our product. So imagine I'm searching abundance goddess, there's no ads, probably because I'm in Brazil, but if I search with a VPN or in that site that I showed you in other videos I search from, maybe if I look for this keyword, it's probably going to show me a lot of ads. So when I put the keyword like this, it means that if anyone types something before or after, my ads is going to trigger. And when I put the keyword like this, if my ads is going to trigger only if the person types exactly like this. So here's the part where we start to build the ads. Here is the final URL. We're going to get this link, final URL. Here you can put something like discount today or special offer last hours, and we are going to start to build our ad. So the abundance, always put first the name of the product, so when the person see your ad, the first thing they are going to see is the name of the product they are searching for. So I'm going to write all those titles and I'm going to show you how it's going to end. So pretty much this is how my ads is going to show. I've pinned these two first in the first position, so it's only going to show in this first position of the ad, and Google is going to put those others titles in this second position, or maybe in the third position when it shows. Here's I'm going to leave a description. I used to paste this here, and I'm going to mix them to write the description. Great. I'm going to use the second one in the second description. Second, I'm going to use this third one, this one, 60-day money back guarantee, manifest money easily. Everything I took here, everything I put here is in the page, and you can look also in the other pages. And here is very important, options of the URL. You need to put here your follow-up model. This is how you're going to guarantee you're going to get your commissions. So this is the follow-up model. I'm going to leave it here. In Buy Goods, there's a great thing that the follow-up model is pretty much the same thing as the final URL. You can use the follow-up model, or you can just leave in the final URL that you're going to get your commissions. In ClickBank, it's different, and Digistore it's different, and pretty much all the other platforms is different. You have to put your follow-up model in your ad URL options, otherwise you're not going to get your commissions. You can hit concluded, check it, everything is okay, hit next. You can put your daily budget here. I'm going to start with 100 reais. It's pretty much the same as $20. You can ignore Google Ads messages. Next, wait a little bit because it's searching for something wrong. If it doesn't appear, you can hit refresh, and then you're going to publish your first campaign and wait to see if the ads get eligible. So after you hit publish, you wait if your ad gets eligible, you put money in the Google Ads account and wait if you are going to get impressions or clicks. And then if you don't get any impressions or clicks, you can higher up your bid and wait a little bit by the day. If you want to get and start with your right foot in affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave in the description below of this video this webinar that you can watch for free, and you can start earning money in ClickBank by doing exactly what you're going to learn in this webinar. See you next time.